Enough. It's going this funny noise.
James, isn't it nice to hear the funny noise every stop?
Hey, what?
Ask James.
Yeah.
Say, do you hear the funny noise every stop, James?
Every stop, James.
No, they're going.
Oh, when we go.
They go.
Okay.
Oh!
Well done, James.
Ding dong. Ding dong.
Ding dong.
What's
How does the funny noise go, Simone?
Ding dong.
Ding dong ding. Yeah.
Ding dong. Ding dong. Oh, look at that.
Do you like those lovely lights, James?
Going on the tram.
Simone, are you enjoying your holiday in Blackpool, Simone?
Yes.
The next one. The next one.
What do you like the best, Simone?
The candies.
Oh, all the candy shops. Say to Mummy, say, okay, Mummy.
Shama to say. Shama to say.
You on the horse tomorrow, eh?
What's to say?
Did you like your horse last time, wasn't it?
What's to say?
Sherma wants to go on the horse tomorrow.
Mummy too. Me.
Simone, say to James, sit next to me.
Sit next to me.
On the horse.
On the horse.
Me.
Is that okay, James?
Alright, is that okay,
We've got the
James?
buses first.
Buses first.
Buses.
Yeah. Buses first.
Yeah.
Okay, James. Only buses first and then the horse. Is that alright?
Where's the horse going to?
We just ride down the
Another
beach.
turn round?
And turn around, yes. Same last time, James.
Yeah.
Did you like that horse last time,
Where
James?
is the tram going to turn round?
Yes, the tram's going to...
Why the turn round for then? What turn round?
Turns around and goes back to our green
And the next
hotel.
one, the
James.
next one.
Yes.
They're going in a minute. They're going.
Back to our green hotel,
The next
James.
one, the next one.
James, you like your green hotel?
Yeah, they're going in a minute. Oh no.
James, ask James, Simone. So, are you nice and warm in your green hotel, James?
There's another one.
Another one, James. Another one, tram.
It's gone. It's
Let's speak to
gone.
Simone. Where's that one going, James?
Where's that one going,
The
James?
green hotel.
Yes.
It's gone.
Say, ours will go to the green hotel in a
No,
minute.
that's
Go to
gone.
the green hotel in a minute.
It's gone.
I think it turns around now, James.
Yeah, that's gone that way. That's gone now.
Yeah.
Oh no, they missed it.
Okay. Let's just change seat. That's all.
They missed it. It's gone.
I am not changing seats.
Oh, look, James, the tram station. Look.
When the service ends.
There's the tram. There's the tram.
Yeah, boys and girls, we just stay on this tram and we go back to our
Can we
hotel.
switch seats now? No, my
Yeah.
seat.
Sorry, it's only 10 minutes.
If you wish to head back to Blackpool, you can stay on this tram.
Thank you very
Don't
much.
worry,
Thank
that's all you're
you.
getting up.
No
Very kind of you.
problem.
Thank you.
You're
Thank you very
alright.
much.
No
Everyone's
problem.
staying on.
No problem.